What if I told you that the very first artificial intelligence wasn't built in a Silicon Valley lab, but in a European palace? Over 200 years before the first computer, a machine so intelligent, it didn't just play chess. It humiliated the greatest minds of the 18th century. It defeated Benjamin Franklin. It crushed Napoleon Bonaparte. The world was terrified. Had humanity finally created a machine that could think? Welcome to the AI Paradox. Today, we uncover the greatest technological deception in history and the terrifying truth it reveals about the AI we use today. The year is 1770. The Industrial Revolution is just beginning, and the world is obsessed with automata, clockwork toys that mimic human movement. But in Vienna, an inventor named Wolfgang von Kempelen unveils something impossible. He calls it the mechanical Turk, a life-sized wooden mannequin dressed in Ottoman robes, seated behind a large wooden cabinet. Kempelen would open the cabinet doors to show the audience a complex maze of brass gears, springs, and cogs. When the game began, the Turk's mechanical arm would reach out, grasp a pawn, and make a brilliant strategic move.
It's horrifying. I cannot bear to watch.
But we must look. This is history unfolding.
The horror.
It defies all reason.
Leaving scientists baffled. Nobody could explain how wood and metal could possess pure intellect. The illusion was perfect, but it was an illusion. Decades later, the secret was finally exposed. The complex gears inside the cabinet were a distraction, a magic trick. Hidden deep inside a secret compartment was a human chess master. Through a clever system of magnets and levers, the human player was secretly operating the Turk's arm from the inside. The world's first thinking machine was driven entirely by hidden human labor. It was a fake. But here is the real paradox. Have things actually changed? Fast forward to the 21st century. We marvel at artificial intelligence. We chat with algorithms that write essays, create art, and seem to think. Wide shot of massive, towering modern server racks in a dark data center, glowing with cyan lights, looking like a giant digital cabinet. 16:9, v6.0. You find thousands of invisible human workers across the globe, manually labeling data, filtering images, and training the algorithms. We have always wanted to build machines that reflect our own minds. But perhaps every time we look at AI, we are just looking in a digital mirror. What do you think? Are we on the verge of true machine consciousness, or are we just building more complex illusions?